Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore the process of producing cable reels and chucks. The video is a clear testament to the perfect combination of modern technology and years of experience in the manufacturing field. Each piece of wood is carefully selected, not only for the type of wood but also for its quality. Skilled craftsmen with extensive experience will inspect each piece of wood, removing those that are infested with pests or rot, ensuring the wood meets standards for hardness and durability. Additionally, they pay attention to the natural beauty of each grain, as this is a factor that contributes to the unique aesthetic of the final product. The wooden pieces are joined together according to a precise design, forming the basic frame of the cable reel. The joints are reinforced with screws, ensuring strength and the ability to bear heavy loads. Watching the skilled craftsman assemble the wooden frame, one can see the dedication and meticulousness in every movement. The wooden pieces are fed into the processing machine, with the sounds of cutting and planing echoing, creating uniformly sized wooden pieces. This is an important step, as precision in every detail will determine the durability of the cable reel. The chuck, designed specifically for each type of cable reel, is the heart of the product. The chuck is precisely installed in the predetermined position on the wooden frame, ensuring a tight connection and smooth rotation. The chuck is secured to the wooden frame with bolts or by welding, ensuring stability and safety during use. The frame reinforcement process involves the addition of horizontal, vertical, or diagonal wooden pieces, helping to increase rigidity and load-bearing capacity. The reinforcing pieces are securely fixed to the wooden frame with screws or wood glue, ensuring durability and stability for the product. The cable reel is coated with a layer of protective paint, enhancing its aesthetics and protecting the product from environmental impacts. The paint is chosen according to the colors and requirements of the customer, creating a variety of styles for the cable reel. Next, welcome to the world of Cooperage Vicard, where simple wooden barrels are transformed into exquisite works of art. The journey begins with the selection of wood, the main material that creates unique wooden barrels. The wood is carefully chosen, primarily French oak, a type of wood renowned for its durability, resilience, and distinctive flavor. Each tree is meticulously inspected for quality, ensuring it is free from pests, termites, and meets standards for hardness and durability. Additionally, the craftsman pays attention to the grain and color of the wood to create barrels with beautiful and unique patterns. Skilled artisans use modern tools to shape the wooden planks, forming barrels with aesthetically pleasing designs in a traditional style. Every detail is crafted with precision, showcasing the skill and experience of the craftsman. The wooden planks are joined together and secured with hoops, creating complete wooden barrels. The assembly process requires high dexterity and accuracy, ensuring the planks fit tightly together, resulting in a solid and finished product. Finally, the wooden barrels undergo thorough inspection to ensure they meet high-quality standards, ready to be used for aging wine, spirits, or other beverages. Looking at the completed wooden barrels, one can see the harmonious blend of tradition and modernity, creating a unique and high-quality product that honors the exquisite beauty of traditional craftsmanship. The journey begins when a truck loaded with timber, like giant warriors, enters the sawmill. The roar of the engine blends with the sound of tires grinding on the road, creating a powerful symphony that signals the start of a transformative journey. The truck is brought to the weighing station, where the cold numbers on the electronic board reveal the weight of the precious logs. After that, the truck is hoisted and unloaded at the factory area, under the precise operation of a giant crane. The logs are lifted, lowered, and rotated gently, as if they are being cherished, preparing for a challenging journey ahead. The wood processing area is where the raw logs are bathed in sunlight, awaiting transformation. The tall logs, with their rough bark, like old soldiers who have endured countless sun and rain, are now ready for a complete metamorphosis. The logs are stacked in the storage area, a vast space, like a giant wood library, where the logs are arranged in order, waiting for their turn to be used. Alternatively, they are taken straight to the wood deck, a vast platform, like a stage for the logs to showcase themselves. The crane operator, with steady hands, skillfully arranges the logs in priority order, ensuring the production process runs smoothly. Next, the logs are fed into the debarking machine, a gentle yet effective surgery. The debarking machine, with its sharp blades, gently removes the rough bark, revealing the smooth wood inside. The bark, once separated, is loaded onto trucks like wounded warriors, taken to rest, and recycled into fuel for various industries. The debarked wood is then sent to the merchandiser, a highly intelligent machine that uses laser technology to scan the wood, creating a 3D image. This image, like a map, guides the cutting machine on the optimal way to cut the wood, ensuring maximum value without wasting a single piece. The wood, after being sorted, can be sent to two areas. The carriage saw area, where the largest logs are cut, is an exciting stage. The carriage saw, with its sharp vertical bandsaw blades, gently glides through the logs, creating mesmerizing, sizzling sounds. The operator, with skillful hands, moves the logs along the rails, allowing the saw blade to cut the wood precisely and efficiently. The double-length infeed (DLI) area, where the logs are cut lengthwise. The double-length infeed, with two saw heads or vertical bandsaws, skillfully creates two opposite flat surfaces on each log, like a giant hand splitting the logs with precision. Both areas use horizontal bandsaws, resaws, a special expert in thinning thick wood planks. With sharp horizontal bandsaw blades, they gently glide through the wood, creating sizzling sounds like the lullaby of a master craftsman. The wood, after being cut into planks, is sent to the edger, a refined wood planer, with sharp blades that gently trim the planks to make them perfectly square and aesthetically pleasing. The squared planks, after being planed, are sent to the trimmer, a precise plank cutter, which cuts the planks to the desired length. The planks, after being cut, are sent to the sorter, a secretary of precision, which classifies the planks by size and length to form neat bundles of wood. The bundles of wood, after being sorted, are sent to the stacker, a scientist of precision, which stacks the bundles onto wooden slats to form tall stacks like giant buildings, waiting to be transported to the lumberyard. The lumberyard, greenyard, where the stacks of wood rest before being sent to the kiln. The journey of transforming logs into planks has concluded. The wooden planks born from the transformation of raw logs will be sent to architectural projects to create beautiful and durable living spaces. The lumber production process at Collins Lumber Products is a testament to the harmonious combination of modern technology and human craftsmanship. From raw logs, the factory has created high-quality wooden planks, contributing to the construction of sturdy and aesthetically pleasing architectural works. Let us admire the beautiful wooden planks and celebrate the success of the journey of transforming logs into planks.